in Java. String handling in Java. First of all, what is string? Gayatri, what is string? You can find string in all programming and scripting languages. What is string?
String is a series of characters or like a group of things.
Okay,
I mean,
string is a sequence of characters written in double quotes. See, string is a sequence of characters written in double quotes. Next, string may have alphabets, numbers, and special characters also. No restrictions. See, string may have alphabets, numbers, and special characters, symbols, star, hyphen, underscore, etc. Characters. See, creating strings. Creating strings. See, for example, in VB script, string is just variable, but in Java, string is object. You can apply built-in methods on string object. String is considered as object in Java. See, string is considered as object in Java. See, example. String I'm using as variable. First variable, my tool equal to string my tool equal to, for example, selenium, value selenium, semicolon, string variable. Next, string array. Array name, suppose my tools equal to, you can use any name, xyz abcd also, equal to, assign values, multiple values by separating with commas, uft selenium rft rational functional tester, etc. Semicolon. This is array of strings. Array of strings. Next, I want to display string variable. SYSO just my tool. It will display selenium. Next, Sindhu, I want to display all values of my tools string, my tools array. Array. Here, enhanced for loop required na?
Yes, sir.
Write enhanced for loop. I want to display all values, all elements of array. For string type data na, use string declaration, string, suppose
My
take
tool.
any name, tools, any name,
Tool. Yes, sir.
colon, array name,
Array name.
my
tool.
tools, open curly braces, next,
Yeah.
print.
Array of strings.
Tools,
Tools.
run. See, first selenium, array variable, string variable, next 3, UFT selenium RFT, array of strings. See. Basically, string is object in Java, but we can use as data type also. Next, concatenating strings. Concatenating strings. See. See, string, for example, str1 equal to selenium semicolon. Next, string str2 equal to testing. Just I'm using space, optional. Next, concatenate. str1 plus str2. Output is selenium testing. Selenium testing. Run selenium testing. Next, you can concatenate directly without storing. Suppose selenium plus testing. Semicolon. Same output. Selenium testing. Next, observe Gayatri. Selenium plus 1 plus 1. What is the output? First one is string, second one is integer, third one is integer. 3 values.
It's selenium 2, I think.
Not selenium 2. Selenium 1 1.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
I will explain. Selenium 1 1. Why? See, here we are using same operator. Generally, general rule of evaluating operators is left to right. Left to right. That is general rule of evaluating operators. First, it takes first 2. Selenium 1. Selenium 1. So one is string, another is integer. It concatenates. Selenium 1. Next again 1. Selenium 1 is string, 1 is integer. Selenium 1 1. Next, just a minute. This time Krishna 1 plus 1 plus selenium.
1 1 selenium.
1 is integer, 1 is integer. If both are numbers, then it adds na. Both are numbers, adds. Both are strings, concatenates. One string, one integer, concatenates. First evaluation, left to right. 2 selenium, Sindhu, correct. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus selenium, 2 selenium. Any confusion, Krishna? Observe.
It's a combination of number and a string, no?
Pardon? Just a minute.
It's a combination of numbers and a string.
Just a minute. I will explain the criteria. String plus number. String plus number. One is string, another is number. Just a minute. Before that, first one is string, second one is string. Then this plus operator acts as concatenation operator. It concatenates. String, concatenates. Concatenation. Plus operator acts as concatenation operator. Next, one string, one number. Yes, concatenation only. We cannot add. String is there. Next, Krishna, number.
Evaluates the number.
Addition. Observe. First scenario, plus sign concatenates. Second scenario concatenates. Third scenario adds. Here apply that criteria. See, selenium testing. Both are strings. Selenium testing. See here, first expression selenium plus 1. What is the output? String only. Selenium 1. Selenium 1 is string, again 1. Selenium 1 1. Next here, first expression 1 plus 1, 2. Next selenium, 2 plus selenium,
2 selenium.
2 selenium. Any confusion? Still?
It's clear.
Okay, cool. Run. Selenium testing, selenium 1 1, 2 selenium. Next, last example. String comparison, important one. For our test automation, string comparison is important. String comparison. String comparison. See, we have three ways. there are three ways for string comparison. First one, using comparison operator. Using comparison operator. Next, using equals method. String is object. We can apply built-in methods on string object. Using equals method. Using equals method symbol parenthesis. Next, third possibility, using compareTo method. It is also method. Using compareTo method. First one, equals operator. Using equals operator. Comparison operators. Comparison operator. Double equal to. It supports two-way comparison. Supports two-way comparison. Two-way means true or false. Next, equals operator, equals method. Equals method also two-way comparison. Two-way. Equals method also two-way comparison. Next, compareTo three-way comparison. It supports three-way. See, some more clarity than two-way comparison. Suppose, do you have 100? Yes or no? Two-way comparison. Do you have 100? Yes or no? Two-way comparison. Three-way comparison. Do you have 100? Yes. Yes means equal to. Greater than means I have more than 100. Less than, I have less than 100. See, three-way comparison, equal to, equal to, equal to sign. Next, greater than. Next, less than. Here observe the criteria. Result criteria. A result criteria for three-way comparison. Concentrate. First, if string 1 equal to string 2. If string 1 equals to string 2. Then result is 0. This 0 is constant, built-in constant. Next, if string 1 greater than string 2, then greater than 0 means positive value. So value depends on the compiler. Positive value. Next, if string less than string 2, string 1 less than string 2. Next, less than 0. Less than 0 means negative value. Negative value. Just a minute. I'll show the example, you can get more clarity. Example. For all three. See. String 1, just a minute. String 1 equal to, for example, capital selenium. String 2 equal to small selenium. Next, string str3 equal to capital selenium. Next, string str4 equal to z selenium. Semicolon. Observe how computer program compares two strings. How computer program compares two strings based on ASCII values, ANSI character codes. You take this one, first string selenium, second string selenium. Which one is bigger? First it takes first letters from both the strings, capital S, small s. Which one is bigger? Small s ASCII value is bigger. Then it declares string 2 is bigger. Suppose first letters from both the strings are same, then it considers second value. Second letter also same, third letter also same, fourth letter, like that. See, here ANSI character codes important. How string comparison happens? Based on ANSI character codes. American National Standards Institution, ANSI. See, these ANSI codes not only for Java. You take any programming language or scripting language, these are common. See, capital A to Z, ANSI codes. Tell me, Krishna Chaitanya. Common. C language, C++, Java, VB script. Common. These are common. What are the values of capital A to Z?
65. It starts with 65.
65.
65
to 26 letters, 90.
Yeah, 90.
65 to 90. Next, small a to Z.
97.
97 to
122.
Next, 0 to 9 letters. 48.
Not sure.
48 to 57, 10 letters. Okay. So I'll show the example. Concentrate. First, string comparison using relational operator. String comparison, last 5 minutes. String comparison using relational operator. What is that operator? Equal to. See, str1 equals to str2. str1 equals to str2. Next, str1 equal to str3. Tell me the outputs, Gayatri. What is the first output? Relational operator returns true or false, like Boolean result.
First one is false, sir.
False.
Second one is true.
True. Good. Next, string comparison using equals method. Equals method. See, str1 dot, see, string is object, dot, type E, select equals, second string, string2, semicolon, one more bracket. Next, string 3. Tell me the outputs, Silpa. First output, second output.
First is false.
False. Second one
is true.
true. Just a minute. Next, last, string comparison using compareTo method. String comparison using compareTo. Method name starts with small letters. str1 dot, type C, select compareTo, string 3. String 3. Next, three-way comparison. String 1, string 3. String 1, string 3. Next, string 1, string 2. Okay, just a minute. String 2, string 1. Next, string 1, string 4. Gayatri, Parmita Rai. Tell me the first output, string 1 compare to string 3 using compareTo method. String 1 capital selenium, string 3 also capital selenium.
True. True.
Not true or false. Three-way comparison. If string 1 equal to string 2, then 0 na. If string 1, result criteria. If string 1 equal to string 2, then 0. Tell me the output.
0.
0. Next, string 2, string 1. String 2. Okay, Sindhu. String 2. String 2 is small selenium. String 1 is capital selenium. Which one is bigger? As per ANSI character codes. String 2 or string 1? String 2 bigger. Okay.
Yeah.
Then what is output?
Positive value.
Positive value. Next, last one, string 1, string 4. Negative value. Good. Okay, Sindhu. String 1. String 1, capital selenium. String 4, here Z is there. Small letter, that too small letter. Negative value. Run the program. False true, 0, 32 positive value, minus 39 negative value. See, this is about strings.